Understanding Parenting Classes, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic, parenting classes. Whether you're a parent, planning to become one, or just curious about this aspect of English vocabulary, this video will help you understand what parenting classes are all about. So, let's dive in. Parenting classes are educational courses or workshops designed to assist parents in raising their children. These classes often cover a wide range of topics, such as child development, effective communication, and discipline strategies. They are not only for new parents but also for those who want to improve their parenting skills. The key point here is that these classes are about learning and growing as a parent. There are many reasons why someone might choose to attend parenting classes. Some common motivations include desire for improvement, parents who want to enhance their skills and knowledge, facing challenges, those who are experiencing difficulties in parenting and need support, court orders. In some cases, individuals are required by law to attend these classes. Preparing for parenthood, expectant parents who wish to be well prepared for the arrival of their child. Understanding these reasons helps in grasping the importance and relevance of parenting classes in different life situations. Parenting classes can vary widely in their content, but some common topics include child development, understanding how children grow and learn at different stages, effective communication, learning to listen and talk to your child in a positive manner, discipline, strategies to teach children right from wrong in a constructive way, health and safety, basic knowledge about keeping children healthy and safe. This section highlights that parenting classes are comprehensive and cater to many aspects of raising a child. I hope this video has helped you understand what parenting classes are and why they are important. Parenting is a journey that comes with its challenges, but with the right knowledge and support, it can be one of the most rewarding experiences. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.